Good evening, dear students. In this video, we will do review worksheet of chapter number 14, constructions. So, for this chapter, you will need protector, compass, scale, pencil, eraser, everything, right? So, we start from question number 1, which is on page number 204 of the book, right? It is review worksheet. First question is construct the following angles using your protector. So you will make use of only protector, right? First part, you will construct an angle PQR of measure 30 degree, right? So let us start. Use your scale or protector to draw a ray. We will draw a ray first. So this is a ray which has one end point and it is extended from the other side, right? At this point, we will place our protector in coincide with the ray which we have drawn, right? This middle point should be at the end point, right? Now, as we have to construct an angle of 30 degree, so on the side of this ray we have drawn, less than 90 degree angles will be drawn, and 30 degree is less than 90 degree. So we will draw 30 degree angle to the side of the ray, right? So we will mark the point for 30 degree measure. If we want to draw angle of 100 degree, suppose, right? 100 degree is greater than 90 degree. That will be to the side opposite to this ray, right? That is to the left side. So we have marked this point. Now join these 2 points. You will get an angle of 30 degree and we name it as Q is the vertex. Middle point is the vertex of the angle PQR. Next is B part. Angle ABC is equal to 67 degree. Now we will construct the angle of measure 67 degree. So first step is same. Draw a ray, right? Highlight this point and place your protector at this point in coincide with the ray. Right now 67, you know that is less than 90 degree, right? So we will make 67 degree to the right side, to the ray side where our ray is. So find 67. You know that 67 is between 60 and 70 and there are 10 divisions between each number here, right? So after 60 count to 7, you will get 67. So after 60 it is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 and 67. It is 67 degree, right? So join it and you will get 67 degree angle and name it middle point as vertex B. A point you can take here, C point here. So this is angle ABC. Now C part, angle M and O is equal to 110 degree. So first step is same. Draw a ray, highlight this point and place your protector here. Now 110, you know that greater than 90. So now this angle, this 110 degree angle will be on the side away from this ray. That means left side, right? So 110 is here. You can mark the point and join it with the end point of the ray. This is 110 degree. Vertex is N. It is M. It is O. So angle is M and O. Next D part, angle DEF is equal to 175 degree. So draw a ray again. Highlight this point, place your protector here. Now you know that 175 is greater than 90 degrees, so it is away from this ray. On left side, we will make angle of 175 degree. So you know that 175 lies between 170 and 180, just in the middle of these, right? This is 175, between 170 and 180. Mark the point and join it with your end point. So this is our angle 175 degree. Vertex is E point. This is D, E, F angle. It is 175 degree. Now two parts are left, E and F part, which are your homework. You will try yourself. Okay, next is question number 2. Question number 2 is draw an angle ABC of measure 105 degree. Take a point D in its interior. Join B. Okay. First of all, we will draw an angle of 105 degree. Right? So, draw a ray and place your protector at this point. You will make angle of 105. 105 is greater than 90 and 105 lies between 100 and 110. So, it is 105 degree. So, join it and you will get 105 degree angle. Right? You will name it as ABC. It is given in question. Right? Now take a point D in its interior, sorry. So you will take a point D. Any point you can take anywhere. You can take here, anywhere you can take. Right? You will take, suppose here, this is D point. Right? Now join BD. You will join. Right? You have joined BD, both the points you have joined. Verify by measuring that angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABC. So we will find where is ABD and DBC. ABD, this angle, and DBC, this angle. Right? You have to measure. Right? That means sum of these two angles will be equal to angle ABC, the complete angle 105. So first of all, we will measure the angle DBC. Right? So in order to measure it, you are measuring this angle. I am highlighting this. Right? In order to measure this, place your protector here coinciding with the ray BC and check this ray is coming on which measure. Okay, it is 71 degree. Right, 71 degree it is. So now you will write here angle DBC is 71 degree. Now also see in the book you will measure angle ABD also. Right, angle ABD. So in order to measure this, you will place your protector here. At one ray, you will place a protector. At the second ray, you will check the measure. This angle you need to measure, right? Angle ABD. You can see this is 34 degree. Okay, so angle ABD is 34 degree. Now add up these two angles. Whether they are coming 71 degree plus 34 degree is equal to 4 and 1 5 7. Yes, of course, 105 degree. That means the sum of these two measures is equal to 105 degree. That we need to verify. Right. Next is Question number 3. Question number 3 is measure each angle of this figure. Which is the greatest angle? So you will first measure all the angles. There are 4 angles, right? First of all, we'll measure angle P. So place your protector at P point, right? You will measure this angle P, right? Place your protector in coinciding with this and check this arm, this side at degrees. So place your protector and check. Now see, your side is on the right side, right? And this angle is outside, right? It is greater than 90. This is away from this line. So it is obviously between 110 and 120. You can see it is just between these 2 degrees. 115 it will be. So 115 degrees. Now check angle Q. Place your protector at Q point, and angle Q is very easy. It is 90 degree, right? So this is 90 degree angle. Now, how will you check angle R? These are the arms of the angle. Place your protector in coinciding with the one of the arms, suppose here, and check now. Right now your angle is towards this side, right? So this is angle 80 degree. You can rotate your book if you want. If you are confused, you can rotate. Now check. See, at this point, your angle is on the side of the ray, right? That means it will be less than 90 degree. It is going to 80 degree, right? So this angle is 80 degree. And last is left. Again, tilt your book and you can check at S point. Place your protector here and check. It is towards the side, right? So it is less than 90 and it is between 100 and it is between, yes, 70 and 80, as it is towards the side, right? This line is bending towards the side of the protector. So it is less than 90, and less than 90 it will be between 70 and 80. So it is 75. So this angle is, I am turning it again, 75 degrees. Okay, I am rubbing it. It is 80 degree, right? Okay. Now, which is the greatest angle? You know that which is the greatest? Angle P is 115 is the greatest angle. You will write here. Right? No need to draw this figure in your notebook. You can do this question in your book only. Fine. So this completes review worksheet. Thank you.